guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this look. It is super easy. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get into the video, as usual, please don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to take this eye pencil from Morphe, and this is in the shade Dark Room. And I'm roughly just going to map out the shape of my eye with this pencil. And you want to leave it kind of up to here. You don't want to bring it all the way in, so we're going to leave it right here. Next, I'm going to pick up Morphe 321 and I'm going to just start blending it out. And as you can see, I'm not very precise with it because we're going to go ahead and put more shades on it, and it's going to look super clean at the end. Next, I'm going to take this Melly Cosmetics eyeshadow stick, and this is in the shade Peacock. And all I'm going to do with this stick is just fill it in right in between those lines that we just created. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe 167, and it's just a flat brush. And all I'm going to do with this is just pull it down and kind of just blend it out. We're going to try to keep it in between those lines still. I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of this, and I'm going to take that right under that black shade. And this is where I'm just going over that black shade a little bit and blending the two together too. Next, I'm just going to take the pencil and I'm going to just run it between my lashes. And then using that Morphe 321 one more time, I'm going to just smudge out my lower lash line. I'm also going to run it in my waterline, top and bottom. Now, just so that it doesn't bleed on my lower lash line, I'm going to take a little bit of my setting powder, and I'm using Urban Decay setting powder here, and I'm just going to blend it out. Next, I'm going to dip into my Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to pick up the shade called Vortex. And I'm going to pick that up on a Morphe 506, which is just a smaller pencil brush. And I'm going to run it just on the edge of our eye shape. And then I'm going to take that brush one more time with the powder, but I'm not picking up any powder. I'm just sort of cleaning it up. Then I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to use that flat brush and pick up the shade called Haze. And I'm going to press that just on top of this green shadow. And all I'm doing is just pressing this on top of the bottom shadow. Then I'm going to pick up that smaller pencil brush one more time and I'm just going to kind of go over it. I just want to make sure the blue shade didn't get over to the dark shade. I'm going to go back into Vortex and I'm just going to connect my lower lash line with this angle here. Now at this point you can add a wing eyeliner, but I think I'm going to leave it as it is because I like the way it looks. And I don't think I'm going to be highlighting my inner corner today or my brow bone because I think it looks super nice, just matte. So let's go ahead and just apply a little bit of mascara and see how it looks. And here's the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time.